that engine scream came ripping past my window. Tiny little blur and I knew my fate. My Ford Focus is slow, so slow. 1000cc Suzuki goes whoosh, bye-bye. My Ford Focus is slow, so slow, so slow. I hit the gas, it just said bro. At the red light line I tried my best look, but that bike leaned in and vanished first. Checked my mirror, then I checked my feelings. All I saw was dust and a smug little grin. My Ford Focus is slow, so slow. 1000cc Suzuki goes whoosh, bye-bye. My Ford Focus is slow, so slow, so slow. I hit the gas, it just said bro. Respect to the bike, that thing got demons. Mine got groceries and a full tank of shit. My Ford Focus is slow, so slow. 1000cc Suzuki goes whoosh, bye-bye. My Ford Focus is slow, so slow, so slow. I hit the gas, it just said bro.